In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo on the XR-3 Ion sniper rifle here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously go ahead and equip this weapon and go into your gunsmith, specifically into the customize tab and into the camo section, and then go ahead and navigate into the multiplayer tab, and you're going to see all the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to Arclight. Now there is a few different prerequisites for this. First things first, you are going to have to get Shattered Gold here on the XR-3 Ion, so go ahead and make sure you do that. I do have a full video breaking down the strat for all of these military camos, as well as the special camos as well, so I highly recommend checking that out. After you get Shattered Gold on the XR-3 Ion, you are going to have to go ahead and get it on 2 other sniper rifles as well, in order to finally hit the prerequisites for Arclight. Once again, we have videos on all of those. I recommend checking them out. But finally, once you do get to this point, all you need to do is get 10 double kills or better with the XR-3 Ion. And this is way better than the headshot kills that you had to get for all those military camos, and a lot easier to do as well. But the strategy for this that you're going to want to use is hardpoint, and more specifically, hardcore hardpoint. There's a specific reason that you're going to want to do hardcore for this. It's literally just because this is a burst. This weapon is a little bit tough to get kills with, but it will one-shot on hardcore. So sit right outside of the objective, and you can even be farther away for this one just because, you know, it is a sniper rifle in the end of the day. Wait for 2 people to run in and go ahead and kill them very quickly. You can actually get these double kills done with 1 burst if you just like shift your joystick or shift your aim just a little bit to knock both people out. You just got to do this 10 times in a row, essentially making it 20 double kills. And you could honestly knock this out in 1 to 2 matches max. Trust me, it's not that bad. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.